there. Oh dear. Well, morning everyone. It's Wednesday the 4th of February 2026 and just going to wait for this lady to go by. In this game you've really got to take your chances where you can get them, and there's bits of blue sky, would you believe it? We've had days of greyness and quite cold weather, but it's not too bad this afternoon, and a little bit of blue sky here and there. So I'm getting out and about, and yeah, I'm just going to go up to Bosworth Battlefield Centre, have a cup of coffee. Oh yes, I know they live. Well, that is the legendary Sutton Wharf, where there's a bit of a turnaround for the boats, and there's a very nice cafe, very popular, I'd actually say all year round, but certainly in the summer, always a lot of people there. And yeah, you can walk from there right the way through to the Battlefield Centre, which is where I'm going. But to get there, got to make my way up this rather long hill to get into Sutton Cheney. And yeah, making use of power level 2 at the moment. I've done mostly 1 so far, and I've come 7-8 miles and used up just 17% of battery. So if you didn't want to know that, ignore it. Ah, well, it's good to be out. I don't know, February feels like we're heading into the new year. One or two snowdrops there. There's some more, look. Why they should be in a hedge yards away from anywhere, I'm not quite sure. Well, that was quite fortuitous actually, because to come up here to the Battlefield Centre, there's a long road, as you can clearly see, where there's not a lot of traffic at all, which means I can fly and no trees on this side at all either. So it means I can fly the drone relatively safely. And let you have a bit of a look around over by the flagpoles. There's no flags up there today, I'm afraid. I'm always fascinated by that farm over there, with chimneys smoking away. I've got a feeling it's they deal with wood, firewood, and I think they're drying out firewood. In other words, they are kilns that they are firing up, and I presume they're burning wood to do it. Not quite sure, maybe somebody will tell me. But also in the distance on the left you can see the church over in Market Bosworth as well. Right, let's see. I know they close at 4. Oh, it's only 2:30. Let's go and get us a beverage. That's what we need, a nice beverage on the route. That's the highlight of the trip. let's go and do it. Oh, the sun's out. Wow. Oh, hot chocolate and a blueberry crumble. Ho, 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 ho. Honestly, I'm going to use power level 1 for most of the way home. Shall I? Yeah, I got them. Right, I shall go under the bridge here, up past the station and turn left. Well, there's a bit of a hill here. My point being, I'm trying to use as little power as possible and try and burn up some calories, having had that hot chocolate and a bit of crumble. I'm on power level number 1. Funny enough, I've only just noticed, but since I've got an electric bike, I never seem to get up out of the saddle, because on a regular bike I have to do that quite often. Put some extra power in, but I think I'm just going to manage power level 1 and just take it steady. Shenton Station, look. Oh, it's muddy. Very muddy. Not only a bit of sunshine, it's, dare I say, slightly warm. So, things are looking up. I love the trees along here, look at them. Well, That's turned out to be a very nice ride. There's a couple of threatening clouds over there, but we'll be okay. Right, I thought I'd stop here to finish off this video, because let me just check everything's working all right. Yeah, you would not believe the number of times I've left the audio running and got half an hour of gobbledygook on the end of stuff, but I'm okay at the moment. Oh, hello.
Hello there. Oh, I know this gentleman.
Let me just pause a moment and wallow in the fact that she called me a gentleman. Thank you. Well, I just had a chat with the lady who lives in the White House over here in Dadlington. They've seen my videos before now. I suppose there's a bit of a theme to this one, a little bit, in that I've been to the Battlefield Centre, where for a while, and if you look at that notice that I've videoed, you'll see that they thought the battlefield was there, but it's not. It's about 2 miles away, and I've done videos on that one before. Check through my listing, if you will. But Dadlington Church here, the lady's just said, is now actually full of graves, so you can't get any more in, but there is a space around there for ashes to be distributed. But it will say here somewhere that a lot of bodies were buried from the Battle of Bosworth, which is in 1485. So, I mean, there must have been thousands of people, soldiers, killed on one side or the other. So they would have had to have, I mean, can you imagine the task back then of basically carting bodies from the battlefield to give them some sort of decent burial. I can only presume they built large pits and just threw them all in. There was too much else to do. Quite awful. And the slaughter that took place was phenomenal. Anyway, so this is Dadlington Church, and yeah, you might wonder why I come into a churchyard to talk to the video. Well, it's nice and quiet, largely undisturbed, and very pleasant. So it's a nice place to be, and there's always something interesting. And for decades, really, if not centuries, the Church of England Church here in England was the centre point of the village life. I mean, the village hall is just next door, and there's just been people coming and going here now. Yeah, so it's very nice, very lovely. Oh, I noticed on the way in, by the way, there are some narcissi bulbs in sprouts. They're all coming up. I can't remember whether they're daffodils or what, but all along there. I'll have to double check when a few weeks time and see what those flowers are. But about this high up, lovely, nice to see them. Right, okay, I don't know what else to say. Oh, by the way, yeah, this here is some artwork commissioned, I don't know how or why, in the local area. There was some in a field down there, which the lady just spoken about, and one or two of the pieces around and about. And this is another part of it, and this very nice pathway as well, going up to the church. So, yeah, very nice. Okay, that'll do. I'll chance my luck and keep going, see if I can get home without it raining on me. A bit of luck, it might be sunshiny, who knows. Right, okay. Thanks for watching. You will see me next time. Okay, thank you again. Okay, bye bye.